everyone! Hola, bonjour, konnichiwa. I am Rosita, your guide to this incredible journey to language learning. Now, I have been teaching languages for 20 years, and trust me, I have seen it all from bustling classrooms, whether it be in person, at schools or businesses, to one-on-one sessions online, to heck, even on the stage and on a boat. So yeah, let's just say there were many learning environments that I had to teach in. And yes, every environment has its own charm. There's something that I've learned during my career is that language connects us. It is the bridge between cultures, communities, and hearts. And that's exactly why I'm here. I believe anyone can learn a language, whether you're a kid just starting out or an adult thinking, is it too late for me to learn a new language? And spoiler alert, it's never too late. And trust me, I have the science to prove that statement. So over the next 10 weeks, I'm going to be sharing you guys some tools and advice that I have learned during my journey. And we're going to be talking about setting realistic goals, finding the right resources, building a daily routine, and so much, much more. And this isn't just about me talking and you listening. Nope. I want to hear from you guys too. The best way to learn is to act on it. Use your knowledge. I want you guys to share your experiences, your struggles, your victories. Ask questions, get involved. This is a community and we're all in this together. Now, every week, I'm going to be bringing up practical tips, activities, and challenges that are designed to push you out of your boundaries, out of your comfort zones, and making learning fun. Because yes, learning a language should be fun. So who's ready to start this adventure? Now, make sure you have some notebooks ready. And yes, I meant some because there'll be a lot of writing involved. Set your intentions and let's demolish those language barriers together. And I'm so excited. I'm super excited to be part of your journey. So, vámonos, let's go. And I will see you guys in the next video. Remember, every word you learn is a step closer to a whole new world. Adios, au revoir, goodbye, sayonara.